What's up, guys? It is 7 a.m. and I'm going fishing. I had like a weird morning. Wasn't planning on getting up yet. I actually woke up around 5:30, and I had a dream that I was in a stream fishing. I was fly fishing, and I was catching just like crazy huge salmon. And so I woke up and I still heard running water, and it turns out my toilet was just running. You know, and if you look inside the tank, you have the little lever, you push to flush the toilet, and then lifts the chain and lifts the rubber seal, right, which opens up, dumps all the water. That's what flushes the toilet. Anyway, it didn't make a seal, so it was running all night long. That's why I woke up. That's probably why I had the dream, because I subconsciously heard that water running. Anyway, long story short, by the time I fixed the thing or figured out what was going on, I was up, so I couldn't fall back to sleep. I was tossing and turning. I thought, screw it, let's go fishing. Well, might as well fish out of this boat here. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. How about that? We got, looks like a pickerel. Feels like a ow! I whipped the weight. I have a bullet weight on here. It's a chain pickerel. What a pain in the butt. Little guy though. Let's see. Can I grab my hook? Yes. Oh, nope. It's a very cool fish, but huge pain. They like to shake and they're slimy. Alright, there he is. Whoa. Get back in the water. Sorry for the traumatic release. Yeah, those things, they fight and fight. Every time you grab him, you can see that guy was small, but he felt like a decent sized bass because of the fight they put up. Crazy. And now I got slimy hands. You guys see that bass just staring at this lure? Like, what the heck is that? Who's the new guy? There's tons of, like, I don't know, maybe 1 pounders. I don't know if you guys can see that through the water. They're literally right there next to this bait. Let's see. It's crazy. All right. Here's a little guy. Put him back. Oh my God. Okay. Almost took my eye out there. I felt like I had another bite right as I was coming up to the surface, and I just jerked it out of the water towards my head. Alright. How about that? Alright, not too shabby. Alright, so there he is. Good little chunker on a purple worm. Alright. Nice. Look at that guy. Alright. Much bigger. Alright, spin around. Hold on. I got you. Alright. That guy's chunky. Definitely better than what I've been used to lately. Alright, cool. Get him right on the edge. Nice. He's spunky too. He's shaking. There we go. Another one. Ooh, little. Little. Probably hungry. Looking skinny. Well, looking really skinny. Alright, calm down. God, it could shake. Alright. Nowhere near as big. But any fish is a good fish, right? There you go. There we go. Come on, bugger. Okay. Another smaller guy. This guy's got very light coloring. There we go. Alright. It's a wee little guy. But you know what? That's better than nothing. I'll say that much right now. Certainly better than nothing. Alright. I'll take it. Alright, let's try to cast something. Not what I wanted. Not what I want. I hooked just the top of the tray. I don't know if you can see that. Man, come on. Of course. Of course it hooks. Why not? Oh, wonderful. Alright guys, it is 6 a.m. I'm going out to fish. There's frost and everything. It's starting to get cold now. We're into October. And it's pretty late in the season now. But you can fish all year round. I would love to go out in the boat. I don't know if you guys can even see that. But fortunately, one of the oars broke. So it's not an option. God, it's beautiful out here. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but there's still stars out. Fishing under the stars. It's pretty darn cold, but very peaceful. There we go. There we go. All right. Can you guys even see that? Let's see. There we go. Early morning fishing. Oh yeah. Well, this guy's just a little bit bigger. You see him? No idea where the camera's pointed. Yeah, a little bit bigger. Get him to turn. There we go. All right. Let's get him off the hook. All right. Well, that's it, guys. I'm calling it quits. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.